They say it's mission impossible to get more traffic and more sales, but I did it without having to wasting time on worthless affiliate programs and networks. Or watching others outsell, outsmart and outrank me. If you can just read our ebook, then follow our suggestions, you will become a skilled affiliate and start earning an easy annual income. We have been in the make money online field for years. We tried and tested all the methods out there, but this is the easiest and fastest way to get more traffic and more sales. Check out the results that I got. Uncover the top 3 ways to boost your affiliate revenues overnight. After starting to use this brand new book, I got to discover how to become a super affiliate in niche markets and find out the strategies for selecting and joining the most profitable and reliable affiliate programs available. Amazing, right? The problem is that in order to get more traffic and more sales, you have to wasting your time on worthless affiliate programs and networks. Here is what you will have to do in order to get more traffic and more sales. Click on the link below. Make your purchase. Then download the ebook. You will become our next Make Money Online success story. And you will become a skilled affiliate, start earning an easy annual income and implementing secret strategies that make you success. Just imagine being able to achieve all this. Can you imagine that? Do you want to make it a reality? Now here is the deal. I don't want you to struggle, suffer and fail trying to do this manually. I'm offering all that you need in order to get more traffic and more sales on a silver platter. The most important thing for us. TOC you succeed. And because of that. And you won't have to pay $50. Not even $30. For only a fraction of that. During this launch, you can get affiliate marketing for newbies for a ridiculously low price and finally get more traffic and more sales. Please note, only $17.95. The longer this is on the marketplace, the higher the price is going to be. In fact, the price you are seeing right now, it's the lowest price it will even be, and it's increasing very soon. So here is what I want you to do. Don't refresh the page. Don't bookmark it. Go ahead and click the Buy Now button below and join the hundreds of successful members with affiliate marketing for newbies. After the launch ends, the price will increase significantly. This would be a seriously good investment. You would get your money back in no time. I'm completely confident that affiliate marketing for newbies is exactly what you need to finally get more traffic and more sales. In fact, I'm so confident that I'm going to make this a complete risk-free decision for you. 90 days money-back guarantee. So there is absolutely no risk for you. So click the Buy Now button below and join the affiliate marketing for newbies members. Oh, I almost forgot to tell you about the bonus. Because I want anybody to be able to profit from the power of affiliate marketing for newbies. I will give you at no charge our Insta Profit Magnet ebook that will explain how Instagram can be used to promote your business online through a number of ingenious ways that have been developed over time. That was the first bonus. Then second bonus is Affiliate Marketing Secrets ebook that make you know a way of making money online. It's really a simple concept. When you are an affiliate marketer, you promote a product, service, or site for a business, and you as a publisher get rewarded for doing so. The last bonus is the Sales Funnels How to Guide. This ebook make you boost your sales, getting your customers to pull out their credit cards and making a purchase, generating enough leads, and convert more leads to sales. You will get all previous bonuses for free. This is a complete no-brainer offer. Just imagine that 1 week from now, become a skilled affiliate and start earning an easy annual income. This book lowers the playing field. Now anybody can get more traffic and more sales. Now, do you want to make that a reality? If so, what are you going to do? Keep doing what you've been doing? Keep getting the results you've been getting? Are you ready? If so, click the Buy Now button below and profit from this crazy low discounted price and secure your spot right now. Don't hesitate, we are looking forward to see you.